this will be related by everybody. Okay, now I got our text today is from Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 13 to 15. Now, baka sabihin nyo, hindi na po na nagwari. Explain that it is really a big percentage for our betterment tomorrow. Because in financial, we have, iba-iba kasi tayo ng discarded financial, education sa bata. Kasi kahit na, based on my experience for 5 years, as teacher, I really did my best to teach the children. Pero meron pang mga parents na hindi satisfied, meron pang mga parents na pagdating sa ganito, as a teacher, okay lang, it's a part of our job. But this time, I'll share with you about this teaching children faith. Kids, now there is a child asking what God is like. Maybe I already heard from our neighborhood, ayaw sabak na kay, ayaw pagbad kay masuko si Jesus. Kung saan na si Jesus, mama, kanang bad po rin na siya, kay masuko man po siya. Puhunan si Jesus naman. Kada bang, ang dami nating mga